Hey everyone, welcome back to HowTechs. Today we have a quick video about the recently released Apple iPhone 17e. Earlier this month, Apple released the latest model in their E line of low-cost entry-level phones, replacing last year's iPhone 16e. Let's run down the features and see how it compares to the 16e and also the 17 Pro, which I also recently reviewed and use daily. Let's go through some of the details on this new model. Let's start under the hood. The 17e has the same A19 processor as the rest of the 17 line, but with only 4 GPU cores compared to the 17's 5 GPU cores. But nonetheless, it's an upgrade over the 16e's A18 chip. The base model comes with 256 gigabytes of storage, expandable up to 512 gigs. Apple has dropped the 128 gig option from the 16e, but the good news is the starting price of the 256 gigs 17e is the same price as last year's 128 gigs 16e released a year ago. It's $599 in the US. The 17e retains the form factor size of the 16e, and effectively it's the same as the 13 and 14 as well. It has the action button, but no camera control button that you'll find on the other 16 and 17 models. But one big upgrade from the 16e is that it now has wireless charging and the MagSafe system, and is still IP68 dust and water resistant. Camera-wise, it's effectively the same as the 16e's camera, single back camera at 48 megapixels, including 4K filming. Because it has the large CCD, it can do 2x optical quality zoom, and the front-facing camera is 12 megapixels, but unfortunately does not have the vertical or horizontal orientation switching. It also does include some of the bells and whistles on the camera, such as cinematic mode and action mode, ultra stabilization, and the dual capture mode, which maybe only appeal to really hardcore video takers. On the display side, it has the same Super Retina XDR display, which is also found on the iPhone 13, 14, and 16e. It's 6.1 inches and includes the notch, not the dynamic island that you see on the regular 16s and 17s. New for this year, the iPhone 17e comes with the same Ceramic Shield 2 glass that the other more expensive iPhone variants include, which Apple claims is 3 times more scratch resistant than the 16e and also reduces glare. The new glass on the 17e is exclusively produced by Beal Crystal, one of Apple's trusted longtime key suppliers, going all the way back to the original iPhone in 2007 and extending across multiple Apple product lines. Beal is one of the world's largest smartphone cover glass manufacturers with over 100,000 employees globally, and also supplying glass for brands like Samsung, Xiaomi, and Vivo. They've been in this space for over 30 years and make over 2 billion pieces of display glass per year, so you know they're a key player in display glass and coatings. As you may know from this channel, I've upgraded my iPhone every model since the iPhone 3G, and I'll admit I haven't bought a screen protector for one since like the iPhone 11. It's because the glass on these things is pretty good and it just keeps getting better and better with each model. I've been using my iPhone 17 Pro daily since last September, and the glass, which is also Ceramic Shield 2, has held up flawlessly. I didn't even have a case for the first couple weeks because they weren't out yet, and I didn't get any scratches on the back surface or the glass, either one. Okay, so let's get to my final verdict on the Apple iPhone 17e. Basically, any of these iPhone 17s, any model, will of course be a solid choice for everyone. It's just a matter of which phone fits your use case best, and also budget is a major concern when deciding if it's worth it for you to upgrade now from what you're currently using. Personally, I think if you're not taking lots of videos at events, and especially not from a far distance, the iPhone 17e single camera is definitely sufficient. If you're currently using a 11, 12, or SE, the 17e will definitely be a big upgrade on the camera front, and not just that, but basically every respect, processor, display, everything. If you're currently using a 13 or 14, the display will basically be about the same. If you're a hardcore photo bug or videographer, perhaps the other 17 variants with a second or third camera would make more sense, but the starting price is $200 higher for the plain 17 and almost double for the 17 Pro much less the 17 Pro Max. So last but not least, the 17e comes in black, white, and the new soft pink color. That pink will probably be pretty popular, so grab it while you can. Okay, do you have any questions about the Apple iPhone 17e? Leave them in the comments down below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Otherwise, check out our other videos. See you guys next time. Bye. Is here on the bottom right, and there's also a very small notch here on the bottom right as well. You guys can see that. There's also